Are there browser extensions for note-taking? If you are a student or someone who loves to gather information online, you might be wondering if there are browser extensions for note-taking. The answer is yes, and these tools can make your study sessions much easier. Let's break down how they work and what you can find. Browser extensions for note-taking are designed to integrate seamlessly into your web browser, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. They allow you to clip, highlight, and annotate content directly from the web. This means you can gather all your study materials in one place without switching between different applications. One popular option is the OneNote Web Clipper. This extension allows you to save entire web pages or specific sections into your OneNote notebooks. You can even add notes to the clipped content, making it a great choice for organizing your study materials. Another useful tool is the Diigo Web Collector. With this extension, you can highlight text on web pages and add quick notes to those highlights. It is simple to use and helps you capture essential information without leaving your browser. If you prefer using Notion, the Notion Web Clipper is perfect for you. This extension lets you save and organize research content directly into your Notion workspace. You can structure your notes with pages, databases, and tags, making it easy to find what you need later. For those who use Evernote, the Evernote Web Clipper is a fantastic choice. It allows you to save content into your Evernote account, where you can organize your notes with notebooks and tags. This keeps everything tidy and accessible. Some extensions offer advanced features, such as summarizing content or linking notes automatically. These features help you manage and retrieve your notes more effectively, which is a common challenge for many students. Using these extensions can greatly improve your study habits. You can quickly save research articles, lecture notes, or web resources while browsing. This keeps your study flow uninterrupted. You can also annotate PDFs or digital textbooks directly in your browser, making review sessions more efficient. Organizing your notes with tags or folders is another practical application. This is especially useful when preparing for exams or writing assignments. Additionally, some extensions allow voice dictation, which can speed up the note creation process. In summary, browser extensions for note-taking provide flexible and efficient ways to capture and organize information digitally. They support effective study habits and help you manage your learning materials better. With these tools, you can streamline your note-taking process and focus more on what really matters: your studies.